I'm here to present my project titled Source Demo Automation Framework, an end-to-end web automation using Selenium, Java, and Cucumber by my humble self, Olajide Abiodun. The goal of this project is to put everything I've learned into practice, not just to show that I can automate tests, but to prove that I understand how and why each part of the framework works together to deliver reliable end-to-end testing. Then these are my objectives. Number one, demonstrate deep technical knowledge of Selenium and automation. Explain project design, structure and result. Present a live test execution. Discuss challenges, debugging, and optimization. This project automates the source demo e-commerce site using Selenium WebDriver and Cucumber. So the goal of this project is to validate a complete user journey from login, sorting, adding, removing products, and checkout. So the tool used here is Java, Selenium, Cucumber, JUnit, and the web and Chrome driver. So the outcome, confirm that the full shopping flow works reliably and validate expected output. So this is my framework architecture. So the folder layout, we have the folder of the step definitions. We have all my step definitions written in Java. From there, we have the runners, which is Cucumber text runner. Then we have the features, which is the getting scenarios. So the feature is a source demo, order, remove items. The scenario there is a verify user can order, remove items. So the given user is on the home page. When user enters username and password and clicks login, then user should see the inventory page and proceed to add, remove items, and check out. Step definition logic. So it uses Selenium driver commands such as the find element, the click, the send keys for elements interaction. They also have the WebDriver wait to handle synchronization and avoid flaky text. So sometimes the test passes and sometimes it fails. So that's why the WebDriver wait comes in. So the locators I use the IDs, the experts, the class name, and the CSX selector. Then the assertion, the JUnit to validate results like the text value and confirmation message. Then the clone option in Ignitor mode to ensure a clean browser state for each run. So the next slide is the demo. So this is the execution flow. So it launches browser and login. It sorts items from low to high. It adds bike lights, fleece jackets, and remove the fleece jackets. Then move to checkout and verify tax is $0.80. The finish and verify confirmation message. So this demonstrates a real-world e-commerce users flow automation. So let me now move over to my IntelliJ to run the test. So let me start from here. So these are my architecture that I told earlier. This is the step definitions. This is the step runner. So and this is the feature file. So under here, under the feature files, so this is it, the source demo order and remove items, verify user can order and remove items from the source demo shopping cart successfully. So these are everything. I won't like to go through it due to time. So, but just in case of any questions, I can just come out here. So these are my steps definitions. Of course, they are being written in Java. So I'm just going to go over now to run my tests. Let me show my test runner. So these are it's like, so I'm just going to click the run. Okay. These dates, enter username, login. Okay. Checkout feeling successful. So test passed.